Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to show you a very advanced and new methods to make your Microsoft Defender Antivirus more powerful. So keep watching. In this tutorial I will show you step-by-step process to make your antivirus powerful and more accurate and protect your PC from any malware and virus. So keep watching. In this tutorial you will learn something new. So friend, right now we are going to open run. Okay, so what you will do, simply press window key and then press R. So friend, you will get this run option. So here what you will do, simply type gp then edit msc. So you type as it is in your run program and then click on OK button. So friend, you will see that this program will open now, and here you little bit expand it, and then here you will see the computer configuration option is available here, and here you will see administrative templates. You simply click on this drop down button, so you will get more options. Now you simply click on this Windows component and then click on this arrow button, right? So friend, here you will get many options. You simply find out Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Okay, so friend, here you can see that this is Microsoft Defender Antivirus. You simply click on it and here you will get many options, right? You simply click on this arrow button again and then find out MP engine. Okay, when you click on this MP engine, then you will coming over here. Okay, now you select this cloud protection level, right? You simply click on it and then you will get these option over here, right? Then you will simply click on this enable button and now you will get this drop down section over here. Okay, you simply click on this high plus blocking level and high blocking level. When you click on this high blocking level and then click on this apply and then click on OK button, so now your antivirus is more powerful. No virus will attack on your Windows 11 PC. So friend, this tutorial is also applicable in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you're using these two operating system, then you can easily enable it. So friend, please enable it and make your PC more secure. And friend, if you are coming first time on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.